VERI stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only person in the stock trading space doing 43,000 videos. I mean, all 43,000 are documented on my YouTube channel. And my most recent prediction of VRI has been so on point. Let me show you that before. Right, look at this. $41.11 21 hours ago. The video was made pre-market before anything really happened, which was already 41. And I wanted to see a shift to take it further up. Oh, it's a wrong video, bro. This is the right one, my bad. 4 days ago, 18th of July. Price was already sitting at 214, and I wanted to see a double break to take it further up. Then it sort of popped up here the next day, and then it's been pumping since. I'll get rid of all this BS, honestly, and just move it where it's supposed to be. Here's my demand zone. The only thing that I'll care now is a double break. And if that doesn't happen, then I guess I'm not buying. It's very simple. If this happens, then that. Logics. But other than that, if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll keep you updated.